So, yeah, why are my pictures fuzzy? Because I love blur. That is basically the only reason. It's personal taste. This is a pretty old photo. And I never shared it with anybody because there wasn't anything in focus and I thought it was an error. But I loved it enough to keep it. And then when I got a little more confident in my work, I did share it. And I still do love it. And I'm still happy with it that even though there is nothing in focus, I do not see it as an error anymore. I like to dance on the edge of focus, right? Seeing how little focus I can get away with, yet still tell the story that I want to tell about my subject. Some days I just feel like it's going to be a wide open lens baby kind of day. So depending on what's going on with you, you may just need that kind of softness, a gift to yourself, a day where you're going to embrace the blur and you're not going to shoot a whole lot of detail. And I think it's calming and peaceful, and it's something that I really enjoy. When I started shooting with more blur and I would show my husband my photos, he would say, huh. And if I showed him a lighthouse or something at F-16, he'd say, wow. So I stopped showing him my stuff for a while because, is not a complimentary comment, I don't think. So here's a tip when you are dealing with that balance. Look for the loner flower. And in my Kathleen's presentation, I'm going to call that the flower with no friends. And I say that and my students laugh, but they remember it. And one of the other people in the class sent me a message that said, Kathleen, there are apertures beyond f4. I wrote back, good, you used them. For me, that would be like shooting babies at f22. They need a little softness, right? And I think flowers could use a little softness too. Before I let you go, I wanted to let you know that I have a favorite iPhone app for blur, and it's called Slow Shutter Cam. It's $2.99 USD, and I absolutely love it. So you can do ICM on your phone with this app. All I did was move my phone slightly. It's all in the wrist. Don't do this. Don't move your hands, just your wrist. Okay. But you can create some really beautiful effects right in your phone. So, my advice and what I want you to do after watching this, I want you to experiment. I want you to shoot with different apertures. I want you to shoot with different lenses. I want you to shoot through things. I want you to try some double exposures. I want you to shoot with lots of blur or very little. You do you, okay? What's your comfort level with blur? Most of all, I want you to have fun. I've been shooting flowers for so long, I've got to keep giving myself challenges like putting flowers in the freezer and shooting through weird stuff.